so after you have gotten your first layer, next step is to just orient the last layer. Not make the top layer and then it'll all be solved. Just orient the top layer. We'll permute it later. So, there are 6 different cases you can get. And so the first one is where you have... Okay, so this is where you need to memorize... This is where the memorizing which piece is which color is opposite of the other color, because then you know which pieces to orient. So, I started on green. So that means blue is my top color. So that means I only focus on the blue stickers. So, what you're going to do is you're going to find which case you have. There are 6 different cases you can get, and each one has its own algorithm. So, first one is this case right here, where you have 2 pieces right here facing you, and 2 pieces on the back facing away from you. And if you have it like this, where they're on the right and left, just rotate it to where it's on this side. So, the algorithm is R2, U2, R, U2, R2. And that will orient the top layer. Now I'm going to show you another case. So there's this one, where you have 2 pieces facing on the left, and 2 pieces facing up on the top right. So what you're going to do is F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. Now you have your top layer oriented. Then you can have this case. These 2 pieces are the same with that last one. But except the pieces facing here, they are now facing on the left, towards you and away from you. So the algorithm is R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R, F prime. And now you have the top layer oriented, not the top side oriented. Now I'm going to show you another case. So there is this one. So it's where you only have 1 solved corner, and it's in the bottom left, and then you have this one that's facing you, and then this one that's facing to your right, and then this one that's facing away from you, right here. So the algorithm is R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. And now you have that one. Now I'm going to show you another case. You can have this one, where you have this one starting up here, and then you have one right here that's facing you, and then one right here that's facing away from, that's facing to the right, and then this one that's facing away. So if you have this case, you're going to do R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime, U2, R. And that solves the top side. Now, I'm going to show you the last case that you need to know. It's this case. It's where you have these 2 right here, one that's facing to your left, and then one on the right that's facing you, and then the other one on the right that's facing away from you. There's F, R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. That solves the top side. So that is the next step of how to solve the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. See you in the next step.